Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to add a clickable link to your profile. That is the absolute latest feature that LinkedIn introduced. So I will take you step by step on how to do that. But firstly, you need to have creator mode turned on. If you have not done that yet, don't worry. I will show you briefly. So you will be on your home page here, and then you will go further down. It's right under your analytics. You see this section called resources, and that's where you see the creator mode. By default, it's turned off. As you see, I have turned it on. So you need to make sure to turn that on to be able to do the adding the link to your profile, as well as a lot of other features that I'm going to show you in other videos. Now, let's go back up on our profile. We will click on the link that is that pencil here. It's next to the LinkedIn banner. That pencil is what we will click, and it's going to open this new window for us where we will add some new information. Now I will go at the very bottom of that form, and here where it says website is where I'm going to put my link. Now don't think that you can only put your website link here. Really be strategic and think about what you want to promote right now. For me, it's my LinkedIn Accelerator for lead generation and authority building. So that's what I'm going to put here. But if you want to take people to maybe to your YouTube channel, to your Instagram, whatever it is that you would like to take them to, that is what you should be putting here. So I am going to put the link to my LinkedIn Accelerator for lead generation and authority building here. So that is the link. And once I do that, I will do one more thing. LinkedIn also allows you to, instead of showing this as the clickable link in your profile, it allows you to put a customized text. So what I am going to put here is LinkedIn Accelerator, because that is the text that I want to be shown. It wrote LinkedIn twice, so let's just correct that. And I also want to put an emoji here so that it's going to get attention. So let's see, is it going to okay, I'm not finding an emoji that I like right now, but just for sake of time, I'm just going to put this here. So LinkedIn Accelerator, and you can see that you can only put up to 30 characters here, because ideally I would love to put LinkedIn Accelerator for lead generation here, but it's not going to allow me. So let me see if I can maybe write apply apply to LinkedIn Accelerator. If I take the emoji out, yes, apply to LinkedIn Accelerator. Okay, so or you know what, I am actually going to make this LinkedIn Accelerator. Okay, That's what I'm gonna do. And I am actually going to still put the emoji there. So now I have to hit on save. Okay, and now I'm going back to my profile. And you can see it edit LinkedIn Accelerator here on my profile. And so when you click on it, it opens the page to my LinkedIn Accelerator for lead generation and authority building. And in case you are interested in it, so you can see what my clients are saying, how I was able to grow their high quality leads. In other words, prospects by 71% in 2 months. And here Dave Kerpen, he is also saying how I grew their sales by 56%. So if you're interested in accelerating your LinkedIn journey, I absolutely recommend that you check this out and you apply to the LinkedIn Accelerator, where you get coached by me one-on-one. But so going back to here, now this is a clickable link, and if I don't like what I wrote here, LinkedIn Accelerator, and I want to change that the wording of this, or maybe if I just want to put, I want the website to appear, I will do the same thing. I will go to this pencil and I will edit this. And and this is really one of the many features that you can use with the LinkedIn Creator Mode. And I am going to do a more detailed video on this so that I can show all of you all of the features and the things you can do thanks to LinkedIn Creator Modes. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you soon!